Hello, I'm Sara Osman, and my work aims to understand the extra load that a tephra deposit can transfer to a roof, and so when buildings close to an eruptive vent may collapse. Last year we saw examples of roof collapse under tephra loading on St Vincent and most recently on La Palma. Where the roofs are not flat, the deposit may slide, which can reduce the load, and I'm using a laboratory tilt table to investigate this sliding behaviour. I've tested low-density pumice and high-density scoria at depths of 10 to 30 centimetres on tiles and metal and fibre cement sheets. I've tested dry and wet deposits and looked at how weathering of the roof material affects the sliding angle. In December, I was able to go to La Palma to work with IGME, the Spanish Geological Institute, and I'm hoping to use the results from the building surveys I carried out there to supplement my laboratory findings. So here's a summary of my lab results. This plot shows the sliding angle for all my scoria tests. Grains on the surface of the deposit started to move at 13 to 19 degree tilt, and the whole deposit slid at between 22 and 37 degrees, depending on the tephra density, the roof material, and the presence of water. The steepest sliding angle was for dry tephra on wet roofs, where the fine grains formed a higher friction layer in contact with the roof material. The next step is to produce loading curves based on these results that can be used in building design, and also to investigate wet deposits further, as the wet density didn't increase as much as expected, likely due to the coarse to fine grain size distribution used in these tests. So if you're interested in more details, do come and talk to me at my poster. Thank you.